Hello, guys. Hello, people. So today we are here with the 10th episode of Sports Senti Tips. It's match 10, and it's actually match 10 as well. What a blockbuster match we have on our hands today. It's Mumbai Indians taking on Royal Challengers Bangalore. It is Rohit Sharma taking on Virat Kohli. So, and today we've changed the format a little. थोड़ा format change हमने किया है. You've seen me as the expert, but as I've been telling you, all of us are experts. We've got three more experts today joining us, and today I won't be responding to any prediction. I'm not the one who's going to make predictions. ये लोग जो हैं, we've got Mustafa. Mustafa, say hi to our people.
Hi guys.
We've got Dipankar.
Hello everyone.
And we've got Ginny with us. Ginny, say hi. Your video seems to be stuck. Yeah. Say hi. Wave to the audience. Yes. So these are the people. These are the experts we've got today, and they will be the ones who will make the predictions. Okay. So जिनको पता है, it's a very straightforward format. हम लोग 6 predictions करेंगे, 6 big predictions going into the match, which is exactly the format that you get on the game, which is Play CKC. You can download it from Android Play Store or even Apple. So here we go, people. Let me ask the first question. And the first question is directed at you, Dipankar. So we'll start with you. Okay. So the first question is, what will be the score at the end of first power play in the first innings? And you can give me 10-run blocks. I can give you a few options if you want. The options are, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, or less than 40. What do you expect the score at the end of first power play in the first innings?
$50 to $60.
50 to 60. Okay.
Yes.
All right. And irrespective of whoever is batting, right? कोई भी batting कर रहा हो, you think it's going to be 50 to 60?
More likely with Mumbai Indians than with Royal Challengers, but then I expect Kohli to open, if not number 3. But
Okay.
if he's there, there are chances of RCB too.
Okay. So 50 to 60 is what Dipankar says. Ginny, what do you think? क्या लगता है आपको? What will be the score? 40 to 50, 50 to 60, or less than 40?
50 to 60.
Okay, you're also going with 50 to 60. Brilliant.
Yes.
Mustafa, do you want to be different from these guys? Do you want to take a chance with
No, I
something else?
completely agree. I think the match is in Dubai, and the first innings of every match has been really powerful and high scoring. So I'm also going to stick with 50 to 60.
Okay.
I think even although if Mumbai opens, I think it should be 50 to 60. If it's going to be RCB, you could say 40 to 50.
Okay, so you're playing it a little more safe, but no problem. All three of our experts going with the same score range. So over to the second question now, and Mustafa, will start with you this time.
Okay.
Which of the 2 Mumbai Indian openers is likely to cross 30 today? Quinton de Kock or Rohit Sharma? Assuming those are the 2 guys opening, who do you think will cross 30 today?
I think it is going to be Quinton's match today. I think he's going to perform today.
Okay.
I think the conditions and match suits Quinton de Kock.
Wonderful. Okay. Good. What about you, Dipankar? क्या लगता है आपको?
I stick to the same answer. Quinton de Kock. He's too good a player to miss out, on consecutive innings.
Okay.
So yeah, if it's one, then I have to be with Quinton de Kock.
So here I need to say this, that Rohit Sharma has been in very good form in this IPL. And
but not very great fitness, if I would like to ask.
Yes, of course, not great fitness, and that has been a problem. Ginny, what do you think? So who will cross 30? Who's more likely to cross 30? Is it Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock, or both?
No, I'll stick to the same answer.
You'll stick to Quinton de Kock. Okay.
Yes.
So today it's the South African over the Indian. All right.
Yes.
Oh, but anyway, it's Mumbai Indians anyway.
I need to see a little bit more consistency from Rohit.
Okay.
Yeah, it hasn't been consistent, even in the last IPL.
Yeah, last IPL he wasn't, but this time he's made a good, strong start. I think at least last match he was amazing. But yes, I hear you guys. Quinton de Kock also has been in good form, good touch. He doesn't seem to be out of
Yes.
form. So we just hope that the South African proves very good for the Mumbai Indians. So Ginny, we'll start the third question with you. So which all-rounder will make the biggest impact in today's match? We've got a lot of all-rounders, but I've picked just three: Krunal Pandya, Shivam Dube, or Kieron Pollard. Who do you think will make the biggest impact? You're on mute, Ginny, and the question is to you. She is consulting, and that's okay.
I'm consulting the expert.
Yes, that's okay. That's fine. That's okay. The stakes are high, people. The stakes are high. You can consult. That's okay. Yes, I didn't hear you. I didn't get your answer, Ginny. I think. Did I hear Pollard?
Yeah, I heard
Pollard.
Pollard.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Mustafa, what do you think? Who amongst these three will make a big impact?
See, I think today's match is going to be a high-scoring match. I'm hoping it to be, and I would say Pollard, because if it's going to be a high-scoring match, he's going to have to come at the later end and score a lot of runs.
Okay. Okay. I hear you.
And
Dipankar.
plus, the bowling in the last match that he did was not bad. The slower balls did work. Extremely slow balls, I would say, almost spin balls were working for him in his. So I think he was going to bowl a couple of overs too.
Okay. We hear you. Dipankar, what do you think?
I would bet on Krunal today.
All right.
Has missed out on a couple of games, but he's again a very good player. You know, if you talk about an all-round show with the bat and the ball, I think Krunal's day today, most likely.
And I'm going to the next question, and I will there is another question in this which is to do with this. But you are saying Pollard has been in excellent form coming into this IPL. He was exceptional captaining his side in CPL, led them to a victory. He bowled very well throughout the tournament, which is.
He also captained for a while in the last match.
Yeah, he captained for a while, but he's been captain of Trinbago Knight Riders, which won the CPL. He was excellent in CPL with the ball, in fact, which is he's not been doing a lot of bowling for Mumbai Indians, but he did bowl in the last match. So we assume he'll and he's always explosive with the bat. You never know. But Krunal Pandya has been a consistent performer. In fact, it has been a surprise that in the last two matches is not come good. But we do hope that he will come good. He's too good a player to miss out for too long. All right, Dipankar, we'll start with you for question number 4. Now, the big question for today, and in fact, the biggest question on all our minds: will we see Virat Kohli cross 30 today? Will he make a comeback, or rather, will he make a comeback and make a half century today? What do you think?
I mean, he would make a 50 only if he comes to open innings or at best number 3. If he's going below that, he's not going to make a 50. And I don't think he'll have a big impact as well. For him to make the greatest impact, he should be opening or number 3.
Okay, understood. And Mustafa, what do you think?
I think we all know Kohli. He's always a consistent player, but the first 2 matches have not been great for him. I think he's going to make a comeback in this match, but I feel like a 50 is unlikely. More like a 30 is what I'm hoping from him at least.
But then that's not a comeback for Kohli, because he averages more than 50 in T20s, right?
See, the thing is that Mumbai has a few good bowling options, and Kohli is not really great against Bumrah, is what I would say. So if he opens and if he's facing Bumrah, he might have some problems.
Okay, Ginny, over to you. What do you think? Will King Virat make a comeback and score half century? What do you think?
Yes, he will. Yada.
Okay.
Hello. This lady.
Got a kid also who's
Say
making
hello.
predictions. Indeed, it's a kid's play, making predictions on Play CKC. Great.
Yeah.
See a
He's
kid
the
there.
expert.
Yeah, we're all
The real
experts. We've got two people saying that he will make a comeback. We've got Dipankar saying he'll not. He's unlikely unless he opens. which is very interesting. I will come to the next question, and this is a new one, and this is to do with matchups, and so you've got Chahal to Rohit, and you've got Chahar or Krunal to De Villiers. Now, the reason we picked these matchups is because we've known for some time now that De Villiers struggles against left arm spin as well as leg spin. While we know very, very strongly that Rohit Sharma struggles against leg spin. I mean, especially people who can bowl the googly, who can disguise the googly, especially early on in his innings. So given these two matchups, and these two are premier batsmen for their teams, right? They've each played a match-winning knock already in this tournament. So I want to start with you, Ginny. What do you think? Which bowler will come out successful? Will it be Chahal against Rohit, or will it be a Chahar Krunal versus De Villiers? Who do you think will come out successful against the opposition batsman? Hi, Maresh.
I think he's having issues. We can maybe Dipankar can answer first.
That's okay. We can wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, coming to the question, right? I think a lot of top players struggle against good leg spinners. Case in point, Kohli himself, right? And I don't know why, RCB can actually go with two leg spinning options today. I'm just diverting a little bit, they can, consider Zampa as well.
Sure.
Why not? When both ABD and Kohli, the two premier batsmen in their team, are weaker against the leg spin, right? But coming back to the question, if I have to pick one, I would pick De Villiers versus either Krunal or it will be Chahar, right? Yeah. So
Okay.
I would pick that. Rohit might be a little bit more careful. De Villiers is usually, the free stroke making player, right? He's not too much bothered about seeing off someone, right? So I would pick De Villiers versus Chahar or Krunal.
Okay, I hear you. What about you, Mustafa?
So I feel in the matchup of Chahal versus Rohit, if Chahal bowls higher up, like in the first power play itself, he could have a big impact on Rohit, because Rohit generally likes to open his innings and in the power play and score runs quickly. And Chahal could put a stop to that, and maybe also could get the better of Rohit Sharma in the power play if he's bowling. Is what I feel. So the contest is going to be interesting, but like Dipankar said, the more interesting one is Chahar bowling to De Villiers. Chahar obviously having lesser experience than De Villiers. De Villiers might get the better of him.
Okay. And Ginny, are you ready with your answer? We can't see you. We can't hear you. You've got a glimpse. Ginny, are you there? Okay, I think we will move to the last question while we wait for Ginny. If she comes back, we'll get that answer from her as well. So we'll go first. I mean, this is a traditional last question. Yeah, we've got Ginny. Are you there? Mayuresh? Okay. All right. We'll worry about that later. But yes, so this is the traditional last question. Mustafa, who's your pick for today? Is it RCB or Mumbai Indians? And you have to be completely shorn of emotions. You can't show emotions here. You can't bring your emotions into play. Be objective. That is what predictions are there for, right? Go over.
No, definitely. I think RCB has lost their previous match by a very large margin. Okay, so I think that match they have to forget. They have to stick in their first match where they bowled well, where they batted. I wouldn't say they batted really well, but decently well to get to a respectable score, and then they did defend it. So I would say, I don't know, it's going to be a very neck-to-neck match. I'm hoping for it to be a last over match, definitely, because Rohit and Kohli both are extremely competitive people.
Cricketer, yeah.
But I would say that MI is going to get the best of RCB today.
Okay, so you are an MI fan. I get it. I get it, Mustafa. This is your emotions talking. But anyway, let's have an independent opinion.
No. But after a 100-run loss, it's going to be difficult for a comeback.
Okay.
And MI coming from a positive match from the last game where they played exceptionally well in all the departments, I would say they are the better performers for today's match.
Okay. Let's ask a very, very independent person, because he's got nothing to do with. He's a complete KKR fan. I know, Dipankar, and he's got nothing to do with Mumbai Indians or Bangalore. So, Dipankar, what do you think? Who are you picking today?
I want to pick RCB, but I think MI will get the better of them.
Okay.
Just because of the balance, just because of the team balance. RCB are yet to find the right balance. The right players are not in the right frame of mind, I would guess.
Okay.
But once probably I'll come back to RCB in some other game. Today looks like MI.
Okay. And Ginny, if you can, if you've got your connection back.
No, I'll pick up Mumbai Indians because for one reason, I'll say Mumbai has got better bowling attacks. At least the fast bowlers are better as compared to RCB.
Okay.
And when it comes to the dead ball, I'll go with Mumbai.
Okay. Mayuresh, and do you want to take the previous question as well? I mean, Chahar / Krunal against De Villiers, or Chahal versus Rohit? Which one? Which bowler will come out trumps?
I'll say Chahar versus De Villiers. Kunal versus De Villiers will come out. Kunal will be successful against De Villiers.
He has got a great record, of course. He's got a great record.
Yes, he has got a good record.
Great record. Yes. Thank you so much, people. Thank you, Mustafa. Thanks, Dipankar. Thank you, Mayuresh and Ginny. So we've got good participation. I hope we will. I mean, tonight is the night when you get to evaluate your predictions. So do look at the video, evaluate your predictions with the results, and then we'll come back to you guys again tomorrow, and we'll possibly get more experts on this. So this is fun, people. I mean, it is real fun. Live predictions are more fun than fantasy cricket. So I want to see you all on Play CKC app. Let's have some fun on Play CKC. Bye, people. Thank you, everybody.
Bye, guys. Thank you so much.
Bye.